Hi everyone, Narendra here. So in this session, let's talk about for each loop in Java 8. So I will let me create a class. Let's say for each demo, and I need public static void main. So let we are having a list of values and we wanted to print. Actually, we are having external loop and internal loops. So normal loops and enhanced loop. Then for each loop, I will show you one by one. Okay. So let we are having a list. Okay. We are having a list. Let's say we are having list of integers. Okay. Sorry. We are having list of integer. Let's say values. And I am trying to initialize here using this as list method. So let's say 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so let import java.util. Okay, so this list of values I wanted to print. So let's use normal for loop. So what we can do, int I equal to 0. So these values I less than this values dot size I plus plus. So let's print these values. So it is printing, right? Sorry, we can say values dot get of I dot get of I. It will print this. So you see it is printing this 4 5 6 7 8, right? So it's a normal loop, right? Okay, so let's we'll use enhanced loop. So for int I, we can say values. Okay, so you see I'm commenting this. So this enhanced loop also it is printing same, right? 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so actually this for loop and this for loop both are from external. Actually external means it's not internal from the collection format. Okay, so it is that's what it is taking time. Okay, now we'll see that for each loop. Okay, this is the internal loop, we can say. So we'll use this for each loop. Let's call that values dot this for each method. So here we'll write like this. Let me copy and paste. Okay, you see this is also working. Okay, so you see how this is working internally, that is separate things. But you see this for each loop is faster whenever you are dealing with more record and it is a internal loop, so it is faster. Okay, so this is using this is a lambda expressions. Okay, I already explained what is lambda expression, you can refer my previous video. Okay, so how internally it is working, I will explain in next session. Actually it is taking This is known as consumer interface. Okay, it is taking the object of consumer interface, this for each loop. I will explain in next session. So this is all about for each loop. Okay, this is a new feature, so developed in Java 8. So it is very simple and it is faster also. Okay, so you can use this for each loop. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If any doubt, please let me know by comments and I will respond. Okay, thank you guys.